Welcome to Activity 10. In this activity, we will be developing the concept of the whole of 5 being equal to 2 parts joined together. And we will be using the words add and equals. 2 add 3 equals 5. We will also be looking at swapping the order of the parts using the commutative property to say 3 add 2 equals 5. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 5 placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. The aim of the activity is to be the first player to fill their wall with every 2-part bond of 5. That means you need to place each block once. So to get started, player 1, they flick, they spin 3. They don't pick up the 3 block, they collect the block that joins with the 3. So they pick up the 2 and they say the equation. 3 add 2 equals 5. Player 2 has their turn and we're going to pretend they spun 4 and they say 4 add 1 equals 5 and they place their block. When player 1 spins again, we'll pretend they spun 0. They say 0 add 5 equals 5. They cannot place this here because when you place blocks, you need to place them to build a row of 5. So I'm going to place that in the next row. Player 2 could have their turn and they spin a 2 and they say 2 add 3 equals 5. Again, they can't place it here because that doesn't build to 5, so they need to place it in a new row. If a player spins a number that they've already spun, such as if this player spins a 3 and they need to pick up a 2 block, they can't because they've already placed the 2. Instead, they just say the equation, 3 add 2 equals 5, and they don't pick up any blocks. The first player who fills their wall, or alternatively, you could set a timer for 2 minutes, and the player who places the most number of parts wins.